Hey guys, so just wanted to show you a little tour of our place. I have always wanted to live on a little alleyway like this somewhere in the back of my mind, and I'm super stoked that we get to now, so come check it out. Honestly, like, how freaking cute is our door? This is our door to go into our little section where we live. All right, so this is where you come in. There's a bathroom right here. Nothing exciting. And this is our bedroom. Sleeping in single beds. Lots of Moroccan tile everywhere, always. This is attached to our room, our little shower area. Full shower. We got hot water in this place, which is a luxury. Hello. Little mirror area and sink over here. And heading upstairs. This is a super skinny building. Well, skinny section, I guess. This is the spare bedroom, which I have turned into an art studio. So exciting. Having lots of fun painting in here, working on a crazy painting. And another sneak peek. And this is our roommate Anas. This is his room. And we go up the stairs again to a nice bright area. This is our kitchen. Nice fridge, 4-burner stove, and an oven, another luxury. A little sink area. The cook. And this is such a cozy little sitting area. We just love it. I guess sometimes it gets cool enough for fires, but not often, I guess. So yeah, lots of lounge spaces. And then up the stairs again. And on this level we got another toilet, and Anas has a toilet on his level too. Little washing room. And the terrace, which is awesome for hanging out a day. This is a great office space. Get lots done up here. And then some more stairs to take you up one more level to a place we don't use much. But this is a lounge area with some lounge chairs and just a chill zone. And we don't really see much from up here other than other rooftops, but still kind of interesting. Not the kind of rooftops you'd see in Canada, so. And there's always lots of activity, people doing stuff, and kids playing in the streets, and music and all sorts of stuff going on all the time. So yeah, that's the tour of our place. Hope you enjoyed it.